Welcome back to Daytime Live. We are still buzzing in all black. Now, the 2022 NAACP Image Awards, which honor achievement by people of color in culture and entertainment, were presented on Saturday night. Jennifer Hudson was among the night's big winners, earning the event's award for Entertainer of the Year and Outstanding Actress in a Motion Picture for her performance as Aretha Franklin in the film R.E.S.P.E.C.T.
R.E.S.P.E.C.T. Now, Will Smith also emerged as Outstanding Actor in a Motion Picture for his role in King Richard. That's been a long time.
That movie, King Richard.
Shot.
Yeah.
Now, The Harder They Fall was the winner for Outstanding Motion Picture, and Regina King won Outstanding Supporting Actress for that movie. Now, Daniel Kaluuya won Outstanding Supporting Actor in a Motion Picture for his role in Judas and the Black Messiah. That's my husband, by the way, in case you didn't know. My husband, Daniel.
Insecure
I'm so proud
was
of
the
him.
winner.
So proud.
Insecure was the winner of the most outstanding comedy series, and its creator and star Issa Rae was deemed outstanding actress in a comedy series for her role in the series. Now, the outstanding television movie, limited series, or dramatic special was given to Colin in black and white.
I don't know that one. I don't know that one.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, Colin.
It's about Colin. I didn't watch it. Yeah.
Kaepernick,
Yeah. I haven't seen it.
Yeah, his story.
He did really well.
There's some amazing stories out there. A lot of persons know about him after his rise to stardom in NFL, and from taking a knee after that.
Yeah.
But before, what led up his story, a lot of persons don't know.
Yeah.
You understand?
But I want to jump in here and say, I think I've said this already on the show, I want to say it again. I would like to see more stories being told about people, black people, people of color in particular, especially some Jamaican stories. But I don't care, just some black people stories. I find that everyone else in the world is really like Encanto, and you have the anime stuff with the dragons and stuff, but we don't have no Jamaican stories being told, you know what I mean? So like we had the movie Sprinter coming out, and we had The Harder They Come, which was like in 19 oh woy woy. I was in that, so I can say it. Not in that, but in the play in Barbican Theatre in England. I was in that rendition. But I want to see more of our stories being told.
Listen.
So big up to Issa Rae, because she's doing very good at telling our stories.
Black people, before we go to the next story, we did, there's a message on Facebook. We'll soon read that.
Okay.
But we do.
Go. Yes. Yes.
So Mike G said something.
Mike G?
On Facebook, I was saying, Mike G, big up yourself.
Big up yourself, Mike G. We're trying to tell you something, but our producer
I like that
said,
real-time comments.
Yes.
Let us know what you think, what you're feeling about topics right here on Daytime Live. Once they come in time, we can,
we can say it. That's why we always say our Instagram handle or Facebook handle, so you guys can talk to us.
Because
so Mike G said, Dufton, Shepherd, Angus.
He like the opening.
He liked what he said at the beginning. So yes.
Yeah, Daytime Live isn't about just, just the fun and the frivolity and stuff like that. We also, talk about like serious issues. And
when he gets fired,
and
we'll rally to get his job back.
So
I'm joking.
So me and Nigas Imara, Odessa knows him, we do a weekly live. We started it back. I would decide we're not going to just talk about the whole, the regular things we've been talking about.
Yeah.
So a friend of ours named Coyote Smith came on and was talking about, educating us about the history of black people.
I saw that.
You want to feel important and insignificant at the same time? Listen to what, I'm going to post it so you can watch it. He spoke, like, we, black people, we literally built, we built the first university in Europe. Europe. The richest man ever lived was a black man. Mansa Musa, when the man traveled from at that time, where they called Dubai now was called Asia Minor. When he traveled from Africa to Egypt and passed there, he traveled with 250 camels, each laden with 250 pounds of gold. You know how much money that is?
No, but that's true.
With 100 of his favorite wives. Not 100 wives now. 100 of his favorite wives. Is all you, Nisha,
Listen,
you'd have been like
as long as we're at the front camera. As long as we're at the front, me no mind.
But what I'm saying is that as black people, we have a rich culture, a history in this world. And black history is just Caribbean history.
But can I pause you a second? Can I pause you a second? This is on Dufton's Instagram handle.
Yeah.
And it's your handle is at Dufton Shepherd. Right?
Dufton Shepherd.
Which I think is really important.
Yeah, on my IG.
Yeah. And especially in Jamaica, I think a lot of us feel we walk with a sense of, and don't come for me, we walk with a sense of, like when we go to Negril and we see these white people and these foreigners, whatever, we tend to walk with a sense of inferiority to them. So when they say, excuse me, yes, you know, and not recognizing that
I don't want to cut you. I don't want to cut you.
Cut me off.
But anyway, now Actor Dale in that video was trying to hold a vibe with Spider-Man, but then Spidey took it too far. Let's take a quick look before we go to the break.
Before we come back again.
Yeah, because we're going to talk about someone that's serious.
Oh Lord, we're not. No.
Yeah, look.
Go on.
Yeah, this.
Where's Spider-Man there?
Yes, we'll see it.
You want to come? No, I have a problem with that video. I have a problem with that.
That is why Spider-Man is not played by a black man. With that, daytime I'll be right back with a chat, and we'll be chatting about romance scams.
Oh Lord.
We're so far back.
This is Dufton's Love Life.
A romance scam. That bad.
Get it? Thank you.
That bad.